Hey everybody, Randall here again. I just got these beautiful Jardine Rumbler drag pipes for my XV700, and I'm going to try something with these. My other pipes started turning blue and yellow as soon as I got them because of engine heat, which is normal. Well, an old hot rodder told me about this trick where you can use very high temperature header paint, paint the inside down as far as I can get it, and that will help insulate the inside and keep the chrome on the outside. So we're going to try this. This is a cheap fix. This is a ceramic based paint. Now I'm just going to keep shooting this in this pipe here. I can feel the inside of the pipe getting cold, so I know it's coating the inside. And this is a ceramic based paint, and the theory is that it will coat the inside of the pipe and insulate it, sort of like having double wall steel. I got enough paint here for couple, 3 coats. Okay, there's the back pipe. And now I'm going to do the front pipe. It's kind of a novel idea, I thought. Well, for 10 bucks for the paint, it's worth experimenting. Can't hurt it any. Well, you can sure feel this pipe getting cold, so that means it's coating the inside of it. Okay, here we are at about 100 miles, and so far no real signs of bluing on the front one at all. Of course, I think it's double wall steel. Now here in the back, getting a little bluing, but that's pretty thin steel there, but so far the chrome seems to be holding up really well. Well, after riding it pretty hard all the way from Platte City up here to St. Joe, I don't see much, if any, bluing at all, except for just right there on that back pipe, but that's fine. So either the Jardines are much better made than what I had on there, or the ceramic paint works. Either way, I'm really happy with how this turned out. Man, those pipes look good on my bike.